Hi, welcome to Metanotech. Let's take a look at the sales process management here at Metanotech. You can begin with CRM, Customer Relationship Management, to manage your customer data pipeline. Next, follow these steps to create your opportunity management. Start by adding a contact, email, phone number, expected revenue, and priority level for the opportunity. You can click to view the details of your opportunity and add tags as needed.
You can also drag and drop items in the Kanban view to change the status, and you can create a quotation directly from the opportunity details. Simply select the product you are offering and don't worry about the documents. Metanotech will generate your quotation and sales documents within the customer portal by just clicking View Details. And here is the list of quotations and sales orders. Let's check the details or the customer portal and click View Details for the documents. As you can see, there are the details of the sales order we've created. Thank you for choosing Metanotech. We hope this guide has helped you navigate through the sales process management. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day ahead.